In my last video, I know that I said I'd be talking about UVO intelligence and my Kia Niro EV, but today I went to the dealer and I had something installed on my car by the dealer, so it's under warranty, and it makes it look a little bit different than other Kia Niro EVs and makes it look a little bit better in my opinion. In May this year, my wife and I bought our electric cars from Concept Kia in Dorval. One of the reasons that we chose this particular dealer was not only are they pro EV, but they really know the product and they sell a ton of them. They offer really professional pre-sales and excellent after-sales service. So I recommend them if you're looking for an electric car in the Montreal area. One of the things that I was told about by the owner was that they offer to replace the badges in the front and the back of the cars. Kia has an unofficial official second logo, the original KIA, Kia in the circle, and they also have a stylized K symbol. And I found that the original logo on the car, it just doesn't look upscale. Considering that the cars are winning awards for their fit and finish and the quality and the overall feel of the Niro itself, I just thought that the new logo would look much better on the car than the original Kia. I had it done, and this video is showing you the procedure of them removing and installing the new badges. Now, they had already taken off the rear badge, so I had them put it back quickly so that I could video them taking it off. But essentially, it's a painless procedure that they do in a relatively short amount of time. It's inexpensive, and the finished product looks fantastic. I just think it looks way better. That's my personal taste. The nice thing is that this dealer has already gone through the testing of different models or brands of badges, and they've weeded out the cheap stuff. Something that they put on your car that's worth what it's worth, it has to last and look good for a long time. And a lot of the stuff that you see on eBay, you don't know what you're getting. So I decided to go with the dealer option. Now, if you're watching this video and you think that you're interested in having this done, but you're worried about you wanting to go back having the original logo, it is possible. The back logo is easy enough, it's just a clip-on. For the front one, all you'd have to do is clean the adhesive off the back of it and apply a new proper adhesive and stick it back on. So no worries, this is not a permanent change. You can go back to the originals anytime you want. So if you're interested in having this done, you can contact Kia in Dorval. They'll take care of you. On another note, today I did more than 450 kilometers on one charge with 13 kilometers still left on my guessometer. And to me, that's pretty impressive because I did a lot of highway driving, and it's something that is not supposed to be because the car is rated at 385 kilometers. If anybody is worried about range anxiety, a Kia Niro EV will wipe all of that away. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. I would really appreciate if you could click that subscribe button to help me get to 100 subscribers to get my custom YouTube URL. Thanks for watching.